Hello everyone, this is Dr. Purnima Kushwa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talk about lung auscultation. Auscultation is the process of listening to sounds within the body, specifically to breath sound during an examination of lungs. Auscultation of the chest must be done to note the type of breathing and presence of any foreign sounds. Procedure: when assessing breath sound, be sure the setting is quiet. Have the patient a comfortable and relaxed position. Place the diaphragm of the stethoscope directly against the patient's skin along the anterior and posterior sides of the chest. Start at the top and work your way to the bottom of the chest while comparing sides. When listening, note the following: a full inspiration and expiration cycle. The inspiration and expiration sounds, pitch, quality, duration, and if it is normal sounding. Ask yourself, is there anything weird heard along with the inspiration and expiration? For example, if you hearing crackle or wheeze, have the patient breathe in and out through mouth slowly while listening. Landmark for the anterior chest. Start at the apex of the lung, which is right above the clavicle. Then move to the second intercostal space to assess the right and left upper lobes. At the fourth intercostal space, you will be assessed the right middle lobe and left upper lobe. Then mid-axillary at the sixth intercostal space, you will be assessed the right and left lower lobe. Posteriorly, start right above the scapulae to listen to the apex of the lungs. Then find C7, which is vertebral prominence, and go to T3 in between the shoulder blades and spine. This will assess the right and left upper lobes. Then T3 to T10, you will be able to assess the right and left lower lobe. Breath sounds can be of two types: normal sounds and abnormal sounds. Normal sounds are bronchial, bronchovesicular, and vesicular. Bronchial sounds. They auscultated over anterior chest and heard over tracheal area. Characteristics of this is sound will have a high pitch and be loud. Inspiration will be shorter than expiration. It sounds like this. Bronchovesicular. They auscultated anteriorly and posteriorly and heard over the bronchi. Anteriorly, first and second intercostal space near the sternum, posteriorly between the scapulae. Characteristic of this is sound will have a medium pitch, inspiration and expiration will be equal, and it sounds like this. Vesicular sound. It auscultate anterior and posterior and heard over peripheral lung fields. Characteristic of this is sound will be soft with a low pitch, inspiration will be slightly greater than expiration, and it sounds like this. Abnormal sound, which can be continuous as high-pitched polyphonic wheeze, low-pitched monophasic wheeze, stridor. Discontinuous can be coarse crackle, fine crackles, and pleural friction rub. Continuous lung sound. These are extra sound heard more than zero point 0.2 second during a full respiratory cycle. High-pitched polyphonic wheeze. It is also known as sibilant wheeze. It auscultated mainly in expiration but may be present during inspiration. Sounds like a high-pitched musical instrument with more than one type of sound quality. May be heard in patient with asthma. It sounds like this. Next is low-pitch monophasic wheeze. It is also known as sonorous wheeze or rhonchi. It auscultates mainly in expiration but may be present at any time. Sounds like a low-pitched whistling tune or whine with one type of sound quality. It may be heard in patients with COPD or pneumonia, etc., and it sounds like this. And the third one is the stridor. It auscultated during inspiration, high-pitched whistling or gasping sound with harsh sound quality. It may be seen in children with conditions such as croup or epiglottitis or anyone with an airway obstruction, etc. And it sounds like this. Discontinuous lung sound. These are extra sound heard less than 0.2 seconds during a full respiratory cycle. Coarse crackle. It is also known as rales. It auscultated during inspiration and can extend into expiration as well. It is low-pitched, wet, bubbling sound. It may be heard in patients with fluid overload and pneumonia, etc. And it sounds like this. Fine crackles. It also known as rales. It auscultated during inspiration and it doesn't clear by coughing. High-pitched crackling sound that is similar to a fire crackling. It may be heard in patient with edema in the lungs or ARDS and it heard like this. And the last is pleural friction rub. It auscultated during inspiration and expiration. It is low-pitched, harsh grating sound. Patient may have pain when breathing in and out due to inflammation of pleural layer. May be heard in patient with pleuritis and it can be heard like this. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notification.